Greetings from Ensurity Group. Do you already know all the great benefits of our health insurance? Since there are too many, we will mention 5 of the most spectacular. 1. Offers mental health and addiction treatment services. You can receive evaluation, diagnosis and effective treatment to combat substance abuse or present mental health conditions. 2. Maternity care. For pregnant women, the period of gestation, delivery and verification of the health of the mother and baby are covered. 3. Free medicines. If you have any medications prescribed for a disease or condition, your policy may cover most or all of these. 4. Control and pediatric services. Maintains the health of your baby, covering the control and application of their vaccines, periodic evaluations and routine exams for your baby. 5. Does not consider pre-existing diseases. In this coverage, all patients must be admitted regardless of their condition. Insurance companies cannot refuse to serve them or provide protection with their policies. How many of them are best for you and your family? Contact us via call or WhatsApp message at 214-946-6060. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.